What's up, guys? So I finally picked the 2-bar. That's right, finally. Lockchuck truly showed me how to do it. Made the most amazing video on how to pick the 2-bar. Anyways, I'm gonna link it in the description, so go check it out if you want to watch a tutorial on it. But watch this video, watch my super duper on fire picking skills of the 2-bar. It's only a minute. You can push through and watch the whole minute, okay? Watch it through till the end, and don't forget to like, leave a comment, leave a heart, all that good stuff. And yeah. Don't forget, I do have an associates link now for Covert Instruments, so if you want to order any Covert Instruments gear, don't forget to use my link. It's in the description of this video. And yeah, I hope you found this video at least fun to watch. I know it wasn't helpful, but I hope it was fun to watch. If you are interested in watching a video on the different pick profiles that are out there, please check out this next video. All right, guys, I know that was super fast. I totally slayed that 2-bar. See you guys on the next one. Subscribe.